Alrighty boys, I don't know if this is gonna be a separate video or not, but it is time. We catch the cars leaving. So, without further ado, there's cops galore, so I don't know if people are gonna do anything crazy. Let's see. Japan plates. Audio, sir. The Grom. And the Hakosuka GTR right-hand drive is Steve's POV. That looks crazy, brother. The old Soar heading out right-hand drive. I'm learning, boys. I'm learning the old JDM stuff. What the hell is that thing? Oh, I love it. Boosted C6. You love to see it. Oh my God. That's a big boy. This thing is nuts. These wheels, insane. Look at these wheels, dude. Oh my God. Will he get pulled over? You think the cop's gonna get him? Nope. The very nice ruby red GT500 rolling out. This thing is so sick. Jotech, or part of Jotech. They're missing one Jotech car. But more important than the GTRs, slammed Odyssey, baby. All Z01 1LE kitted out, but it's an SS. Uh-oh. They set up down there, goddamn. Ah, hell yeah, the Stance minivan. Still tipping. I don't know what front end this is on this Mustang, and it's freaking me out, man. love RCFs. I say it all the time. You can hear it again. They're so sick. That thing sounds really good. That sounds nice. What? Was that a 2J swap Supra? That didn't sound like the B58. It didn't sound normal. Something was up there. Ooh! I like this color.
He has that one. He has a red GT500. And he has...
It's a 12C with a crazy kit.
It's on the roof.
Oh, there goes the CT5V.
Come on, Hellcat, do something.
It's perfect. It's so loud. Oh, it's beautiful. What a time capsule. The forest green on forest green Cuda. Oh my God. Oh, he did that in front of the cops. You are going to get pulled over, sir. If he doesn't, it's crazy. Like, well, that dude's probably shooting a word up to the big man in the sky real quick. Yes, Dodge, the party animals out here. Everything gets a supercharged V8. Next, Pacifica.
Please stay on the sidewalk. Don't stand in the grass.
Ah, hell yeah, dude. The LS swapped crazy green Jeep. Hop, hop, hop. That man in that car right there has all sorts of stuff. LaFerrari, FXXK, every Ferrari, I'm pretty sure. Same color as my C6 Z06 back in the day. Twin turbo GT350. Like, I love. I don't hate the wide body Stinger, dude. It's not bad. Skirt, skirt! He's going out to the R8. That was a really delayed reaction. Oh, hell yeah. The drift car rolling out. That is an odd color. Is that an LS swap? Is that what's going on with that Porsche? It's sick.
Yeah, he's dead pocket.
Yeah. That thing is sick. That plate, Reptile. Dallas's license plate game is crazy. Mustang on the VMS track pack. And a Hennessy GT500. Ah, the black wings rolling out. 2 CT5Vs. Huh? Yeah, we drove this morning. Oh, it's a Hefner R8. That's so sick. Alrighty, guys, that's it for today at Cars and Cantina. Another solid show. The rain kind of kept away some people, but always some very sick cars here nonetheless. And it's nice to get some variety on the channel. Not just Houston cars, because my God, I'm so tired of Houston cars. But it's time for us to get back to the car. I owe Allie some food. I'll catch you next week, guys. Peace.